Common question all the time is how to get these connectors off of sensors. There's a little tab here that extends over to this little clip. So I'll just show you. All you got to do is first grab this connector and push it towards the sensor. Then you grab this little piece here, pull it away, and then you can pull the connector off. And all it does is when you push this piece or pull it away, there's a little tab in here that lifts, and that tab locks into this little ridge. So a ridge right there. Okay, so it's quite simple. The key is pushing the connector towards the sensor first. Yeah, so there's more connectors here. They're all the same. You can see here, same thing. So just push the connector, pull up on the tab, and then pull the connector at the same time. Same thing on this one. Push it that way first. Pull back on the release tab, and then pull the connector off. Sorry if the camera's going out of focus. I'm not wearing my glasses, I can't tell. It all looks fuzzy to me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope that helps.